Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the grape verbena pie in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. Okay, as you can see that we need to unlock some recipe from here guys, so we can complete the Gourmet live, and I'm going to show you how we can make the grape verbena pie. Basically, you need to have the fruit verbena pie recipe. You can buy it from Masimo, and we're going to use this brick surfing card to make it. Okay, you need to have this recipe. And if you want to make the grape verbena pie, we need to replace the fruit with the grape. You can get the grape seed from Bulang. And if you want to unlock the grape, you need to reach level 7 in your gardening hobby. Okay, and these are the ingredients. You need butter, egg, and this lemon verbena. And I'm going to start cooking. And after that, we're going to unlock the grape verbena pie recipe. And next time, if you want to cook this verbena pie, you can use the new recipe. Okay, I've just made the grape verbena pie. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the grape verbena pie in Heartopia during the Modular Street Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!